Imagine an electrical grid that isn't built by humans but grown, right now, under the mud at the bottom of the sea. It sounds like science fiction. It's not. For years, oceanographers puzzled over tiny currents they couldn't explain. They saw chemical reactions separated by centimeters that should never touch. Oxygen at the surface, sulfide deep down. Two opposite worlds with no obvious bridge. Then someone stuck a microelectrode into the mud, and the readings didn't make sense. The currents flowed as if an invisible wire stitched those worlds together. What they found next was stranger than anyone predicted. Strands of bacteria, centimeter-long filaments, crawling through sediment like living cables. These are called cable bacteria, and they do something no single-celled life was thought to do. They move electrons, real electrical current, over distances 1 million times longer than a single microbe. Here's the wild part. Each filament is a chain of cells. Individually, a cell can't reach oxygen and sulfide at the same time. Together, they split the job. Cells down in the dark oxidize sulfide and dump electrons into the filament. Cells up near oxygen accept those electrons and complete the reaction. The filament becomes a biological wire, carrying charge from one chemical realm to another. That tiny trick changes everything. Where cable bacteria colonize, the chemistry of the sediment flips. Acidity spikes in narrow zones. Metal ions mobilize. Methane production can plummet. Shipwrecks corrode differently. Even nutrient cycles that feed fish and plankton get rewired. Scientists began to test them as living components for technology. Imagine tiny, self-healing biowires that reroute energy, or living sensors that report the health of the seafloor. Imagine microbes that could be harnessed to limit methane leaks or to clean polluted sediments. The implications stretch from climate to engineering. But there's a darker edge. Where these bacterial wires thrive, they can accelerate corrosion on metal structures, and they alter the release of greenhouse gases in ways we're only beginning to measure. A world where biological electricity shapes the planet isn't theoretical. It's happening beneath our boats and beaches right now. The ocean floor hides a secret power grid, and it's alive. If that blew your mind, hit follow and share this. Because the next time you think of power lines, remember some of them are wet, soft, and crawling.